wardrobe on 10. There's at least 100, everything gon' flee. That's why she keep me coming, don't need no weed. Just so I can grab it if I'ma spend this money on I need the.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but your girl's gonna make a comeback, okay? We're gonna start making these videos and we're gonna get to posting this content, okay? So today I did a cute, like lazy brown smoky eye. It's still cold outside, so you can't go wrong with a little brown smoky eye, okay? So if you're looking to achieve this look, stay tuned and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so I will be starting out with the AOA Brush On Concealer. I purchased this from the Miss A shop. So I just will be applying that and then I'll just go ahead and blend them out evenly. Then I went in with the Ace Beauty Nostalgic Palette and I'll be using the orange color shade right there. And I'll just go ahead and blend them out evenly on my eyelids on both sides, just to kind of give it like a light effect for the color for the smoky eye. Then I also went in with the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette, and I'll just be using the brown shade that's right there. And I'll just go ahead and apply that on my eyelids, and I'll be applying it on kind of like on the whole eyelids, just kind of start transitioning into the smoky eye. Then I will just go ahead and go back in with the same Ace Beauty Nostalgic palette and then take that same color we used, the orange, and just kind of blend it over the brown just to kind of even the tones out, because I know the brown is a little darker than the orange, so we'll just even that out on both sides just to kind of let all the colors blend perfectly. Then I also went back in with the same brush I used to blend the brown eyeshadow to just kind of continue to blend everything together. Then I went in with the AOA liquid eyeliner and just applied that to my lash line as close as possible on both sides. We're not doing eyeliner, just a quick little line, just to kind of let everything blend together when we put on our falsies. Then I went in with the Midnight Black Mascara. Don't remember where I got this mascara from. Probably Dollar Tree because it really sucked. But it's okay. We just gonna work with what we got. Then I also had purchased these lashes from Shein. It's like cat eye lash strips. Absolutely gorgeous. Love them. Cut the strips. Then I went in with the Salon Pro hair glue. Yes, girl, hair glue. I use hair glue for my lashes, applying them. I've never had an issue with them. I've been using this lash glue for the past, I don't know how long. Never had issues with it. So yeah, but I only apply a little and it lasts a lot longer. Like it's very sticky. Never had any issues with it coming off easily. So yeah, definitely something to try. Then I just applied those lashes on both sides. Just make sure that it's put on evenly how I like. Just making sure that nothing is hanging off and making sure that it's comfortable. Then I went back in with the AOA brush on concealer, and I'm just going to apply those both under my eyelids. And this is going to be the first layer of concealer because your girl got bags. Girl, let me tell you, these bags are no joke. So I'm just going to apply that first layer of concealer on, just blending everything out evenly, definitely getting them acne scars covered. Then I am going to go ahead and go in with the elf HD powder just to kind of blend, not blend, just to kind of go ahead and powder up the concealer that I just applied. I'm just pressing on the powder just to kind of get rid of a lot of the oils that are already forming, and it kind of just gives me more of a matte finished look with my foundation and concealer with everything. Then I went in with the NYX Blur foundation. Love this foundation. It's my first time using this foundation. It blended pretty well with my skin, and it didn't even feel like it's like a very like thin like feeling. It's not too thick. So that's what I definitely like about it, because I definitely have tried foundations that definitely felt really thick and felt ugly. Then I just, after applying it on, I went in with the beauty blender and I just kind of blended the foundation in to just kind of make sure it all blended correctly. Then I went in with the e.l.f. HD concealer for the second layer of concealer. Just kind of blended all of that on both sides. Then I went in with the AOA cream contour stick. Never have tried cream contour, or usually don't do cream contour, but I wanted to just try it this time around because I just had purchased it. It was okay. I didn't have any issues, so I don't have any complaints regarding so yeah, it went on perfectly smooth. And the shade was actually a good shade that I had picked out for my first time using this cream contour. Then I'm just blending it all out as much as I possibly can. Um, and then I next went in with the Ace Beauty Contour Palette. As you can see, I love this palette. I use this shade a lot. And then I'm just kind of going over the cream contour that I just had blended out. And yes, your girl forgot to go ahead and blend her forehead, but it's okay because we're going to go ahead and blend that right out. So don't come for me. So we're going to blend that out. Then I added the powder contour over that as well. Then I went back in with that palette and I went over the nose, contoured the nose, blended that out because it was a little too dark for me. So I wanted to blend that out. Then I went back in with the e.l.f. HD powder, and I don't usually bake. I used to bake, but I just decided to try like just pressing on the powder, which definitely made a difference because I think baking kind of left my face just kind of like cakey, but pressing on the powder, not leaving it on too long, definitely made my looks a lot better and smoother looking. So I just applied that powder everywhere and I'm just going ahead and brushing that powder off. Like I said, I don't let it stay on for very long. Then I went back in with no excess product. I just went back in with the brush without adding product on and just kind of going back over my contour. Then I went in with the Perfect Complexion Blush Contour Palette, which I probably purchased, I think, at Ross. We used this palette for a while. I need to get a new blush palette, but this does the job for now. I'm just applying them on both cheeks and then the nose. Then I went in with my Anastasia Glow Kit highlighting palette. Love this palette. I've used this forever, especially for summer. I'm applying them on both sides and then my nose, of course. Then I went in with the Violet Voss palette and I used the brown shade. And I'm just applying that underneath my lower lash line. Then I'm applying mascara on both sides, just to kind of give it more of a dramatic look. Then I went in with the Magic Mirror Morphe palette, and I used just the white shade color right there, just applying it in my inner corner duct, just to kind of give the eyes more of an open full look. Then I went in with you can't really tell in the camera, but it was a like white glittery ish color, and I just applied that. Then I went in with my LA color. As you can see, love this lip liner to its full extent. None product is going to be wasted. And I just applied that lip liner. And then I went in with the Maybelline Vivid Matte Lipstick and just applied that in the middle, kind of just blending them both together as a lip combo. Love my favorite lip combo. And yeah, that's the finished look. So I'm going to go ahead and hop off camera to finish my hair. Okay, so I went ahead and I did my hair off camera. Did a quick little lazy bun with a clip in the back. You can never go wrong with them claw clips. You know what I'm saying? To go with the cute little brown smoky eye. And this was the finished look. Like I said earlier, I'm definitely going to start making this content for y'all. And I do want to start getting back into makeup again. I haven't, this was literally like the first makeup look I did in a minute. So yeah, that's gonna be a goal this week. We gonna start making some makeup tutorials, okay? We gonna get right, and I'm gonna get you right, sis. I promise. Anyway, if you guys like the video, don't forget like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to my next video.